Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka office trekam jang district sports officer ke West Castles district. Haka katnyo trek mentau jemang arajar kat kendai. Kalapun kotno ya kelempong ya kop lek kaif sport ke balai sengi lenter. Ya ke balatem kom ke 26 West Castles district level inter-school athletic meets. Ya kene kelempong lapan hak perdana da superintendent of police ke West Castles district ubak BJ lalu uberalong kongsan hak jelang. Ringkat kejiran lang district sports officer ke district ubak PB War Nongbri general secretary jung ke NDSA ubak Gordon Marngar ki principals ki headmaster bat ki headmistress jung ki school baperoper bat ki wedi ki orang ba ke kathan. Haka ni kelempong mentau senam, ya ke nam lakdo ni ke overall champion, layo da ke Anderson Higher Secondary School. Nongston da ke jingla jong ki kena kentai bat cenderang banjab bon ki takma kesiar, haki jingla kai baperoper. Ya ke nam best team na ki cenderang layo da ke School Anderson Higher Secondary School, kat bana kaliang ki kentai pat layo da ke Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School. Haka match pass pat na ki katnyo tuli ki kenhon ki balai syamenta, ya ke nam best match pass contingent, layo ra da ke Dapbok Langgiri Memorial Secondary School Porla.